Have you ever wondered why rich people stay rich, even when they spend money like it's nothing? It's not always about how much they earn. The truth is, it's about how they budget. Yes, you heard me. Budgeting is not boring math on spreadsheets. It's the system rich people use to control their money, instead of letting money control them. In this video, I'll share 5 budgeting tricks rich people use every day. These are practical, simple, and you can start using them right after watching this video. Stick with me until the end, because the 5th trick is the one almost nobody talks about, but it's the real difference between staying broke and building wealth. Let's get into it. Section 1, Pay yourself first. The first budgeting trick rich people use is called pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, buy groceries, hang out with friends, then save what's left. Guess what? There's never anything left. Rich people flip that order. Here's how it works. 1. When money comes in, they immediately put aside 10 to 30% into savings or investments. 2. That money is untouchable. It's not for bills, not for shopping, not for food. 3. Then they use the rest to cover expenses. Think about it this way. If you always wait until the end of the month to save, you'll fail. But if you treat saving like a bill you must pay, you build wealth without even noticing. This one habit is how rich people grow their money even before spending on luxury. Section 2, Zero-based budgeting. The second trick is zero-based budgeting. Most people write a budget like this: rent, food, transport, entertainment. Then they stop. But rich people go deeper. They give every single dollar a job. Step by step. 1. Write down all your income for the month. 2. Assign every dollar to something. Savings, investing, spending, even fun. 3. By the end, your budget should equal 0. That doesn't mean you have zero money. It means your money has zero confusion. Every dollar knows where it's going. Why does this matter? Because money with no plan disappears. Rich people don't let their money sit idle. They tell it what to do before it leaves their account. Section 3, Separate accounts. Third, rich people separate their money. If you put all your income in one bank account, you'll spend without control. Rich people use multiple accounts to stay disciplined. Example setup. Account 1, Savings and Investments, no debit card attached. Account 2, Bills and Recurring Expenses. Account 3, Fun Money and Lifestyle. By splitting accounts, you avoid mistakes. You won't accidentally spend your savings because it's not even in the same account. It's like tricking yourself into being responsible. Rich people use this trick to make budgeting automatic. Section 4, Track small expenses. Fourth, they track small expenses. Most broke people only think about big expenses: rent, car, food. But rich people know the little things kill your budget. Think about it. $5 coffee every day is $150 a month. $10 fast food meal 3 times a week is $120 a month. Random subscriptions you forgot are costing $50 or more. Rich people track these and cut what doesn't bring value. They're not cheap, they're intentional. Here's how you do it. 1. Download a free budget tracker app. 2. Connect your bank card. 3. Review where your money leaks. 4. Cut what doesn't matter, keep what makes you happy. When you control small expenses, big money stays in your pocket. Section 5, Automate everything. The 5th budgeting trick is automation. This is the secret weapon of rich people. They don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems. Here's how it works. 1. Set automatic transfers from your income account to your savings account every payday. 2. Automate bill payments so you never pay late fees. 3. Automate investments into stocks, crypto, or real estate apps. This way, your money works without you thinking. Rich people know discipline fades, but automation never forgets. If your savings and investments are automatic, you're building wealth without stress. So let's recap. The 5 budgeting tricks rich people use are: 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Zero-based budgeting. 3. Separate accounts. 4. Track small expenses. 5. Automate everything. Notice something? None of these are complex. They don't need millions of dollars. They're habits. Habits you can start right now. The difference between staying broke and building wealth isn't about luck. It's about systems. Rich people build systems around their money. You can too. Now here's my challenge for you: pick one of these tricks and start it today. Don't wait for next week. Start with the one that feels easiest, and stick to it for 30 days. And if you want more smart money tips, side hustles, and passive income ideas, subscribe to Dollar Decision. We post new videos every week to help you take control of your money and build financial freedom. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and drop a comment telling me which budgeting trick you're starting today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.